Hello my dear students, welcome to the channel. So students, today I shall be providing you the answer of chapter number 15, material we use from 7th standard science. Let's see the exercise. First one is fill appropriate terms in the blanks. So आपको यहाँ पर ऑप्शंस दिए हैं, ये ऑप्शन चूज करके आपको ब्लैंक्स को कंप्लीट करना है. फर्स्ट, द सब्सटेंस दैट हेल्प्स वाटर टू रिमूव डर्ट फ्रॉम द सरफेस ऑफ मटेरियल इज कॉल्ड डिटर्जेंट. Second है fluoride is used in toothpaste to prevent tooth decay. C. Soap is a salt of fatty acid and sodium hydroxide. And D. Synthetic detergents can be used in hard water as well. E. For construction purposes, Portland cement is the most commonly used cement. Question number 2. Write answers to the following questions. First है how does the use of a detergent help to clean soiled clothes? डिटर्जेंट जो है वो मट्टी लगे हुए कपड़ों को कैसे साफ करता है? Question second B. How will you check with the help of soap powder whether water is hard? Question second C. What are the important ingredients of a toothpaste and what is the function of each? Question number second D. What are the ingredients of cement? Question second E. What will happen if cement is not used in making concrete? Question number second F. Make a list of detergents that you use. G. What should be expected from a detergent for delicate garments? Question second H. What is meant by surface activity? Name 3 chemicals responsible for the surface activity of various detergents. Question number third. What are the similarities and differences between? First one is natural detergents and man-made detergents. Natural detergents refers to the substances which are naturally available and can be used as detergents. And man-made detergents are detergents which have been made by humans for their use. And examples of natural detergents are include soap nuts, that is Rita, and soap board, that is Shikakai. And example of man-made detergents are soap. Next question number third B. Soap and synthetic detergents. Soaps are sodium salt of fatty acids, that is soft soap, or potassium salt of fatty acids, that is hard soap. And synthetic detergents are made up of raw materials like fats or kerosene. And second point of soap are they can be used only with soft water. And second point of synthetic detergent is they can be used with both soft and hard water. Differences and similarities between both soap and soap for washing clothes. Bath soap, it is a type of soft soap and used for bathing. And soap for washing clothes, it is a type of hard soap and it is used for washing clothes. And second point, soft soap are sodium salt of fatty acid and hard soap are potassium salts of fatty acid. The modern cement and ancient cement. Ancient cement is developed by the Romans during Roman Empire, and modern cement was developed by a British scientist, that is John Smeaton. Next, second point of ancient cement is it was prepared by mixing volcanic ash in moistened lime. And second point of modern cements is it is made up of materials like lime, CaO, clay, silica, along with some other oxides of aluminium, iron, and magnesium, and gypsum, that is CaSO4, 2H2O. Next, question number 4. Explain why. First, soap cannot be used in hard water. Question 4th B. Oil does not mix in water. However, oil and water become homogeneous if a sufficient quantity of detergent is added. Question 4th C. Synthetic detergents are superior to soap. Question 4th D. Often colored spots are formed on clothes during washing. Question 4th E. Tobacco machinery should not be used for cleaning teeth. टोबैको को दांत साफ करने के लिए यूज़ नहीं करना चाहिए क्योंकि जो हमारे जॉस के गम्स होते हैं वो बहुत सॉफ्ट होते हैं और वो उसके पोर्स को जो है वो मतलब सीरियस इफेक्ट कर सकता है, तो इसलिए हमें टोबैको का यूज़ दांत क्लीन करने के लिए नहीं करना चाहिए.